Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this Get Ready With Me for Durga Puja 2018 and this is my Navami look. I'm going to wear this for the evening and it's a very pretty bold eye makeup look paired with my favorite lipstick from Sugar, as you guys already know if you've been following me from a long time. And I really like this makeup look because it's pretty elegant and perfect for Durga Puja. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this. And if you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. This is going to be my last makeup tutorial for this Durga Puja. And I really hope every one of you are enjoying this festive season. So without wasting much time, please get into this video. I'm gonna start with the primer first, and for that I'm going with this M.A.C Fix Plus. And I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And I'm going to wait for some time and let this dry. And now I'm going to move on to my foundation, and for that I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Warm Beige. And I'm going to dab this all over my face with a beauty sponge. And now for highlighting and concealing, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas normally I highlight and conceal. And again I'm going to blend all the concealers out. And now to set my face, I'm going with this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. And I'm going to dust this all over the areas I have highlighted and concealed. And now for contouring my face, I'm going with this shade right here from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'm going to contour the usual areas of my face with this powder. So I'm halfway done with my face. Now I'm going to do my brows off the camera. If you wish to check out my in-depth brow routine, you can check out this eye right here. You'll reach that video. So I'm just going to fill in my brows and be back. So while filling in my brows, I have even applied some lip balm, and that's the Maybelline Baby Lip Lip Balm. Now before moving on to my eyes, I'm going to apply some loose powder underneath my eyes, and this is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And I'm going to apply this in this way, so if there is any fallouts from my eyeshadow, this can catch. And now for my transition shade, I'm going with this orange shade right here. And this is the Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. And I'm going to use this orange shade on my crease area and blend it out in the back and forward motion. And now again I'm going with this brick brown shade. And I'm going to apply this again on the crease area. And I'm going to concentrate this on the outer V. And now I have dusted all the excess eyeshadow from my brush. And I'm going to run this on the crease area and blend all the eyeshadows together. And now again I'll be going with this contour shade from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'm again going to take this on the crease area. And this is going to add a warmth to my eyes. And even I'm going to apply this on the outer V. And now from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette, I'm going with this black right here. And I'm going to apply this on the outer V area. And now for my lid color, I'm going with this green right here from Lakme 925 Quads palette, and this is the Contour Rush. And I'll be going with this all over my lids. And now again I'm going with this brush right here and blend out the edges out. And now I'm going to dust all the fallouts from my face. And now I'm going to repeat all the colors on my lower lash line as I have applied on the crease area. And now for my inner corners, I'm going with this gold shade from the same palette. And now for tight lining and waterlining, I am going with two different kajal today, and both of them are from Maybelline Colossal range. So for tight lining, I am going with the regular black kajal. And for waterline, I am going with this Crush Emerald color. This is a very gorgeous cream, and I am going with this on the lower lash line. I think I am looking good with the smokiness, so I am not going with any eyeliner today. Just the kajal is enough. So I am moving on to my mascara. And for the mascara, I am going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And now I am moving on to my blush. I am going with this shade right here from Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blush Palette. And I will be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I am going with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. And I will be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight. And now for my lipstick, I am going with the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Fan. So guys, that's it for this makeup look right here. I hope you really enjoyed this get ready with me for Navami evening. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I want to wish you all a very happy Durga Puja, and that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.